Ever wondered how blockchain technology is impacting various industries? Well, let's start from the beginning. Imagine blockchain as a digital ledger, a continuously growing list of records called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography. It's like a massive global spreadsheet running on millions of computers. But what makes it special? Well, three fundamental features: decentralization, transparency, and security. Decentralization is the heart of blockchain technology. Instead of a single entity like a bank or government controlling everything, the power is spread out among all participants. Each participant or node has a full copy of the entire blockchain. This means no single point of failure and no single authority. Then we have transparency. In the blockchain world, transactions are open to scrutiny. Everyone can see the transactions, but the identity of the person behind any given transaction is encrypted. This transparency builds trust among the participants and makes the system more accountable. Lastly, we have security. Blockchain uses advanced cryptography to secure the transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it is nearly impossible to alter. This immutability makes the system safe from fraud and tampering. Now you might be wondering, why does all this matter? Well, these features are incredibly beneficial for various industries. Decentralization can eliminate middlemen, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Transparency can build trust and accountability, which are crucial in many sectors, from finance to healthcare. And security, well, in this digital age, who doesn't want their information to be safe and secure? In the world of business, these features are not just beneficial, they're revolutionary. They open up new ways of doing things, new possibilities, and new opportunities. They're not just transforming industries, they're redefining them. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's delve into how blockchain is revolutionizing specific sectors. The finance industry is perhaps the most well-known beneficiary of blockchain technology. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or one of the other thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. These digital currencies are the most notable examples of blockchain implementation in finance. Blockchain has become the backbone of cryptocurrencies. It's the ledger that records every transaction, providing a public, transparent, and immutable record. This transparency and immutability is what makes cryptocurrencies so appealing. It's virtually impossible to counterfeit or double spend a cryptocurrency because of the blockchain. But beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain is influencing the broader finance industry in some pretty significant ways. Let's talk about three key areas: fraud reduction, transaction speed, and the elimination of intermediaries. Firstly, fraud reduction. In traditional banking systems, we trust intermediaries to verify and process transactions. But these intermediaries can be vulnerable to fraud and error. With blockchain, transactions are verified by a network of computers around the world, making it much harder for fraudulent activity to occur. Secondly, transaction speed. In the traditional banking world, international transactions can take several days to clear. With blockchain, transactions are processed almost instantly, regardless of the time or day of the week. This speed and efficiency can be a game changer for businesses and individuals alike. Lastly, the elimination of intermediaries. Blockchain allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a trusted third party. This cuts out the middleman, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Imagine sending money directly to a friend in another country without having to go through a bank or a money transfer service. These are just a few examples of how blockchain is revolutionizing the finance industry. It's reducing fraud, speeding up transactions, and eliminating intermediaries. And we're only scratching the surface. There's much more potential to be unlocked as the technology continues to evolve and mature. Blockchain technology is undeniably reshaping the financial landscape. But let's not stop there. From tracking and tracing to ensuring authenticity, blockchain is transforming supply chain management. Let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of blockchain in supply chain management. Picture a world where every product has a story, a clear path from raw material to your doorstep. This is the reality blockchain is creating. Blockchain enhances traceability. The traditional supply chain process is often murky, with goods changing hands multiple times before reaching the consumer. Blockchain, however, offers a decentralized ledger that records every transaction in a transparent and immutable way. This means that every product's journey is documented in detail, ensuring the authenticity of goods and reducing the likelihood of counterfeit products. For instance, consider the diamond industry. De Beers, a leading diamond company, utilizes blockchain to track the journey of diamonds. From the mine, through the cutter and polisher to the jeweler, every step is recorded. This ensures that the diamonds are conflict-free and ethically sourced, providing a transparent narrative that consumers can trust. Beyond traceability, blockchain also reduces cost and increases efficiency. The traditional supply chain involves a lot of paperwork, from invoices to shipping manifests. Blockchain digitizes these documents, reducing the need for manual documentation and speeding up the process. This not only cuts costs, but also minimizes errors and delays. In addition, blockchain smart contracts automate many processes in the supply chain. These self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement directly written into code help in streamlining operations. When certain conditions are met, actions are triggered automatically, eliminating the need for manual intervention and increasing efficiency. With blockchain, supply chains can become more secure, efficient, and transparent. It's like shining a light on a process that was once shrouded in darkness, illuminating every step of the journey. It's an exciting development, and we're just beginning to see its potential. Through blockchain, supply chains can become more transparent and reliable. But the applications of this technology don't end here. Imagine a world where patient data is secure, accessible, and immutably stored. That's what blockchain can do for healthcare. This technology, which underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has a far broader application scope than just finance. One area where it could have a transformative impact is healthcare. Let's start with data security. Healthcare data breaches are a serious issue, with millions of patient records exposed in recent years. Blockchain could help tackle this problem. By storing patient data on a decentralized network, rather than in a single, vulnerable database, blockchain can make it much harder for hackers to access sensitive information. That's not all. Blockchain can also improve interoperability or the ability of different healthcare systems to work together. Today, a patient's health information is often scattered across multiple systems, making it hard for doctors to get a complete picture of their health. But by storing all this data on a blockchain, we could create a single, comprehensive record that any authorized healthcare provider can access. This could lead to more coordinated care and better health outcomes. Patient consent is another area where blockchain could make a difference. With blockchain, patients could have more control over who sees their health information. They could grant or revoke access to their records at any time, giving them greater control over their own data. One example of these concepts in action is MedRec, a system for managing medical records using blockchain. Developed by researchers at MIT, MedRec uses blockchain to create a decentralized, interoperable, and patient-centric system for healthcare data. Patients control who can access their records, and any changes to the data are permanently recorded on the blockchain. This not only enhances data security and interoperability, but also makes it easier for patients to manage their own health. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by making patient data more accessible and secure. It's an exciting prospect, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what this technology can do. These are just a few examples of how blockchain is impacting industries. We've journeyed together through the transformative landscape of blockchain technology, beginning with its core definition and then moving into its multifaceted applications in finance, supply chain management, and healthcare. In finance, we've seen how blockchain is breaking new ground, providing a platform for transactions that are secure, transparent, and decentralized. It's rewriting the rules of financial operations, offering solutions like smart contracts and cryptocurrencies that are reshaping the way we think about money and value exchange. Moving on to supply chain management, the impact of blockchain is equally profound. It's creating a new level of transparency and traceability, allowing businesses to track products from their origin to the consumer's hands. This not only improves operational efficiency, but also fosters trust and accountability in a system that was once shrouded in obscurity. In the realm of healthcare, blockchain is serving as a revolutionary tool for data management. It's providing a secure and immutable platform to store patient data, enhancing privacy while ensuring information is readily available when needed. This has the potential to improve patient care, streamline processes, and even aid in critical research. But remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg. Blockchain's potential is vast and its applications are limited only by our imagination. It's poised to revolutionize not just these sectors, but many others as well, from real estate to education, from voting systems to energy grids. The common thread across all these applications is the power of blockchain to foster trust, transparency, and efficiency. It's a technology that's designed to democratize information, to give power back to the people, and to create a more equitable and efficient world. While blockchain technology is still in its early stages, its potential to transform industries is undeniable. It's an exciting time to be part of this technological revolution.